everyone, I am Nalini Murthy from Farm Fresh Bangalore. We are very happy to announce that Farm Fresh Bangalore, in collaboration with Urban Mali Network, we are introducing a wide range of microgreens. You all know microgreens are the baby plants. They are only 7 to 10 days old plants. You can grow any edible plant as microgreen. Microgreens grow for only 7 to 10 days, then you can harvest and consume. The health benefits of microgreens are the powerhouse of nutrients. They are dense with vitamins, minerals, fibers and antioxidants. Antioxidants plays a major role to develop our body immunity. How to use these microgreens in your dishes? As I said, these microgreens are very tiny and tender ones, so no need to cook them. Directly you can add them into your salads and smoothies. And you can use these microgreens into any of your dishes as a garnish. These microgreens will add extra flavor, taste and texture to your dishes. We have delivery of these microgreens twice in a week. Tuesdays and Saturdays we are delivering these microgreens across Bangalore. We have a wide range of microgreens starting from radish, mustard, fenugreek, sunflower, sesamum, beetroot and many more. To place orders, visit our website farmfreshbangalore.com. For more details, call us at 9739575466.